If you're probably looking for the best YouTube niches out there, then this is definitely the right video for you, because I am going to show you the top 5 YouTube niche that are actually in section right now. And then whenever you start a new channel talking about such content, people are in high demand of it and they're actually going to watch your content. You don't have to pick the wrong YouTube niche. You know, you could make a ton of videos when you pick the wrong niche, alright? But don't actually worry, because in this video I am going to show you definitely the top 5 best niches that are working well on YouTube. And so stay tuned to watch the end of this video, so you know the top 5 best niches that are working now on YouTube. Alright, nowadays, why many or most beginners content creators, those who knew nothing about the content creation and also about YouTube, the reason why they don't actually engage in YouTube, because they choose a niche that is in less demand, right, which is too small, right, that has no demand, actually no demand. So it means that there are less people that actually need such kind of content. And you know, with this video I'm going to give you top 5 best niches that will help you. Remember, aim is to earn money online. You want to earn or use YouTube as another side hustle. Alright, so for you to use YouTube as another side hustle, this is the best video for you. Just stay tuned and watch up to the end. If you are new here is the Creators Guide. I am Hazel from the Creators Guide. In this channel we help you monetize and grow your revenue with online videos. If you are new here again, welcome back to this channel. If you want to grow and start YouTube and also start earning, you are probably in the right place, because this channel is going to give you a solution to that. It might not be able to solve your total problem, but at least it may give you a fair up understanding and also a clear overview, so you know how YouTube is. If you're finding value in this video, just give it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. Just watch this video until the end, because the first niche that I'm going to talk about is one of the high demand niches that people are actually interested. So if you want to know, then just stay tuned. You know, when you come to the YouTube world, majority of people thinks that any kind of niche or topic that you post on YouTube can actually make money, and that's actually not the truth. Alright, there are some niches on YouTube that are making much more money than the other. Right, some are being matched. You are not a faceless YouTube automation or a faceless YouTube automation, and you are in the right place, because I also show you a best niche that is also in a highly demand that wants to grow on YouTube, probably for faceless channels that don't want to show their face. Alright, now with niche number 5 is health and fitness. People always want to become healthier, especially those in their early ages, as 50 years and above. These people want to always be healthy, so that always protected from some unnecessary diseases, illness. So this is one of a kind of a channel or a niche that, when as a beginner content creator, if you want to start YouTube, you can use it. Alright, and because you can make videos about simple home workouts, maybe home workouts for skinny beginners who wants either lose weight or gain weight. Alright, you can also share healthy ideas. It could be, you know, some foods or herbs that are healthy. You can also share it on your platform. Right, you can also explain weight loss tips. Maybe somebody wants to lose weight, someone weighs about 150 kilograms and the person wants to lose weight. You can explain to him some lost weight tips and the overview on what the persons need to know. Alright, this health and fitness niche, you actually don't need to be specifically doctor. Right, some people may think, or you may ask a question, do you need to be a doctor before you can do this? No, exactly. You don't need to be a doctor. You just need to have the helpful information, right, from either trusted source or from maybe your parents, your grandparents, that are helpful, and you just explain them in simple words, so that early or the average can understand also, and also the elite as well can understand better, because you are explaining them in simple words. So here is an example. If you want to boost your immune system, if you can find this item I'm about to tell you, number 1 here is maca, number 2 here is ashwagandha. You can get these to blend them and also drink them. Can help boost your immune system. Even though I have not tried it before, but I have heard testimonies about these people complaining and giving much more testimonies about what this maca and ashwagandha can do. Now with this, there are many fitness YouTube channels out there that earns money from YouTube advertisements, affiliate products, and also sponsorships. Alright, now with the affiliate marketing and the sponsorship, I'm going to explain them to you right now. Let me start with the YouTube advertisements. The YouTube advertisements are the videos that pop up whenever you click on a video on YouTube. So you wonder why there is a video that plays before the original video that you click on. That is what is known as advertisement. And actually, in detail, creators are being paid from $3 to $30 per ad revenue. Alright, so that is a way that creators also make money. So now number 2 is affiliate products. With the affiliate products, I can help you with this. If you want a one-on-one section with a mentor, can help you how you can grow on YouTube. These things I am sharing are free sources and they are available there. If you want a mentor that can teach you how you can make money online, how you can grow faceless YouTube automation, and many more, there is a link under the description of my video. Just click on it, sign up, and then you are good to go. You get a free mentorship. You also get a one-on-one private Facebook community for you to interact with the creator in case of anything that you want the creator to help with, and you can take a great advantage of this course and ask the creator for a collaboration. The collaboration, this is what happens: you collaborate a certain video. So now the subscribers of that creator, popular creator out there who is Make Money Mad, has over about 400+ subscribers. His subscribers get to see your video and they are urged to subscribe to your channel as well, since you are a collaborator to him, and that is also a way you can use to grow your YouTube channel. Now I just explained is what you call, with the link in the description, is what you call affiliate. I am promoting the course, so I'll get a 50 or a commission of when you ever sign up using the link in the description. All right, now sponsorship, that is a brief on how affiliate marketing works. Now sponsorships, all right, sponsors, people are being paid to promote their products, rather their products on their website, on their videos, on their blogging page, on their social media handles. So with that one, they are being paid for sponsorship. That is also a way that creators makes money online with YouTube. Here is an example of a sponsorship video. Now this here is what we call Heaven insecticide spray. With Heaven insecticide spray, this is what it does. It is an insect mosquito killer and also cockroaches, flies and ants. Since I am talking about a niche about health and fitness, this one could help and prevent these animals which brings diseases and sickness, because with the mosquitoes there is a certain type of mosquito called the Anopheles mosquito that brings malaria. So if you want to cut that out, just get Heaven insecticide spray and you're good to go. This advert, it says Heaven only one. Get your Heaven insecticide spray. This video is not a paid sponsorship, it's an example of how sponsors works, but this is an example of how they work. So Heaven is only one. Get yourself one insecticide spray to prevent malaria. You are good to go. So that is an example of how sponsorship works. All right, now the best number 4 niche is personal finance. With personal finance, people want to save money. All right, people want to invest. All right, people want to earn income. All right, so you can make videos about budget, you can make videos about side hustles. All right, that's one can do. It could be you have a busy sector with 9-to-5 job and you want to earn an extra income as a side hustle attached to your job. Just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. I'm going to make a video for side hustles and also online jobs. All right, online jobs that can help you earn extra income, so also as well as money tips as a bonus to it. So just stay tuned, click on the subscribe button and wait and stay tuned for that video. This niche usually has the highest advertising rate because finance companies pay more to reach these viewers, and that is how creators who makes videos about personal finance earn money. That is why some channels make more content, some channels make more money than the other depending on the niche. All right, because you can't be talking about entertainment and now be talking about finance and you'll be paid the same. No, that doesn't work on YouTube. Is that correct? Get that in when you are good to go. Now with best niche number 3, actually called gaming. Right, with gaming, it's still one of the biggest niches on YouTube. You can record a game and play and just post it out. You can review new games that are actually on either your App Store, your Play Store or your Microsoft Store. You can share tips, tricks and funny moments when you were playing the game. With the gaming niche, it's actually not difficult. It's one of the simplest niche that you can start, especially those who like playing eFootball and Gym League Soccer and many more, car racing, etc, and many more. You can start this channel using this niche. Right, you just need expensive gears. Just need a normal simple setup, right? A simple setup and you are good to go. Now with the best niche number 2 is AI tools and technologies. You know, AI, artificial intelligence, is growing every single day. People are searching for AI tools that save time and help them make money. You can create tutorials, you can review AI websites, you can compare different tools between the AIs, and you can even make a live battle between two AIs. You can make a live battle between ChatGPT and Gemini. You can make a live battle between Comfy UI and also Arena AI. There are many more AIs out there. You can make a battle between ChatGPT and Cloud to see which one wins. Alright, so there are many AI tools out there that you can make tutorials and read about them. Right, many of these videos continue getting views for months because people keep searching for them, about their features, their tips, their tutorials, a review of it and a battle of them, how they work together. Alright, so you can just based on this, you can also earn money as a creator starting now. Now the best niche number 1 is make money online. Make money online. You know, this is one of the hottest niches today. People want extra income. All right, they search for YouTube tips, they search for freelancing ideas, they search for online business opportunities. All right, so if you teach real methods that work and explain to them clearly, your videos can attract viewers from around the globe, because all people there wants to make money online. You actually want to make money online, that is why you click on this video right here. Everybody wants to make money online. So how are you going to make it? How are you going to make money online? So the question is the word how. People want to know the solution to the word how to make money online. So if you are going to teach them and explain to them with a real method that actually works, you are actually going to attract many viewers in the world, and that is a way you earn money as a beginner content creator. Alright, now look at some of the biggest YouTubers so far, like Mr. Beast, T-Series, Mr. Who is the Boss, and many more and others. They started just their mobile phone, their device, if possible their PC or desktop, and a simple idea. Channels that teach about artificial intelligence, personal finance, and online business have grown from 0 to hundreds of thousands of subscribers because they consistently posted helpful videos that is actually solving a problem to the people. Right, and when they continue to solve these problems, there are companies that will be paying them for what they are doing. That is what you call the ad revenue, right? So success didn't happen overnight, but sometimes success can happen overnight, because sometimes you get your videos to blow up overnight. Alright, so there are two things: either it doesn't blow up overnight or blow up overnight. It's between you. Which one would you like? So when you choose the right niche, it gives them better chance to grow. So all the top YouTubers that they just chose the right niche, and it gave them the better chance to grow. Alright, here are some top 3 questions that you need to ask. These 3 questions: that the niche that you have chosen now, is that niche going to are you able to upload 100 videos about the niche that you have chosen? Secondly, do people search for that topic every day? The topic you are talking about on YouTube, do people search for it every single day? Now, thirdly, do you yourself, the creator, enjoy talking about it? For me, as an instance, I enjoy talking about making money online and YouTube growth and monetization. The wonderful and best thing ever is to learn how you can grow your YouTube channel the best and simple way. When your channel is monetized, there is this kind of happiness that you have. So that is when you can monetize more YouTube channels. So I am actually, in fact, excited whenever I am on camera recording, always about the monetization, especially if your answer is yes to all the 3. Probably you have found a great niche that can do well on YouTube. Remember, don't wait for the perfect time. The time is not. Today is the time. Do not procrastinate, because procrastination is assassination to destination. The time is, do it now. Then you will never regret for starting the YouTube channel. Start with what you have. Learn as you go. Learn as you grow. Improve every video that you're making. Try as much as possible to improve your videos. And as you go, you make your videos better. Now your videos becomes quality but not quantity. If this video helped you, choose your YouTube niche, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications, because I'm going to share with you simple tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel and as well as make money online. Alright, also what I will recommend is for you to watch the next video on your screen. Right, watch the next video on your screen, where I will show you how you can get your first 1000 subscribers, whether you are running a faceless automotion channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you the next video. Click on the video and watch it. Peace.